I'm not here to impress anyone. I'm here to change everything. Hi, my name's Ramon. I'm a dad. I'm a man who let himself go, and I'm tired of watching life pass me by while I make excuses. This page isn't about six packs and perfect routines. It's about showing up when it's hard. It's about growing as a man, a father, and a leader every single day. So, if you're trying to build the best version of yourself, you're in the right place. Follow, watch the journey, or better yet, start yours too. Day one, let's get to work.